welcome to another one of my video. In today's video I would like to show you all how to, for those of you that have never had jackfruit before, how to peel the jackfruit, and also the sugar cane. You may have never had the sugar cane before. I'll show you how to peel it and also eat these produce. And the June plum, I'll show you how to cook and fry the plantain, because a subscriber of mine, she has never worked with the plantain and she would like to know how I prepare the plantain. So without further ado, let's get into the video. I'm not sure if I'll be able to use this, or if not, then I'll try and use the chopper. Because the sugar cane is tough, guys, so you would just get your knife in and yeah, you kind of pull back a bit. But sugar cane is not natural sweetener, guys. I go to the flea market to get cane juice. Basically, that's what you do. Some people have never worked with sugar cane before, right? So I thought I'd show you guys how to peel the sugar cane, and then you're just gonna cut. You're gonna cut that piece off, okay? That piece. Or you can break it. Some people break it or cut it. So you just cut here, because this part here is tough. You don't want to chew on that part. Yeah, and there's your sugar cane. And the way in which I do it, like if you're giving it to kids, you would like just cut it up, or even for yourself. You cut it up. Working with the jackfruit. So your jackfruit, you're gonna be just getting off this piece. This is garbage. And then, as I said, the seeds, yeah, you could cook your seeds and then you just chew on it. They taste like, but somewhat like potato. The seeds you don't have to let go to waste. But I love jackfruit. It's sweet and it's a natural sweetener. And I don't like when my jackfruit goes to waste, because I really love jackfruit. And then, guys, you're just gonna be just like taking these pieces off. Vegans eat jackfruit. I think they take it as meat. You're gonna take the seed out. Somewhat it reminds me of ackee. When ackee comes off the tree, guys, this is how you would open it and take the black seed out of the ackee. Yeah, so I'm glad I'm showing you how to peel the jackfruit. And then the seed, as I said, if you don't want to throw away, you would I would just cut this piece off, the fruity piece off, and then this is the seed, and I would cook it. Well, yeah, let me just clean up all my jackfruit here. But I really love jackfruit. I can put it in my smoothie. Yeah, you're just gonna get between, and it has a nice scent. Some people don't like the scent, saying it's too strong or it smells away. They don't like, but I love jackfruit. You see this yellow piece? That's a piece you eat. So you would take this piece off and throw it away, and then this piece, this white beige-ish looking piece, that's all. That piece you take off too. Because when you chew on this piece, it's not chewable, right? Let me get onto the June plum. So the June plum, yeah, you wash your fruits, guys, and then you just peel, right? You peel it light, thin, because you don't want to get into your fruit and get it to waste. Whenever you're peeling your produce, you peel it thin, just the skin. And you can also make June plum juice. June plum juice is good. This is nice. I'll make it one day for you guys to see. I've never made it before. And guys, some of these dishes I've never made before. So you see, if I can make these dishes for the first time, you can also. Yeah, I peel it thin because I don't want to waste it. And whenever the June plum is this color, it's sweet. It's ripe. But some people don't like to eat the June plum because the June plum is a bit funny. Let me cut it and let you see. The June plum has some prickly things that people don't like, so maybe they would rather juice it. Yeah, you can hardly see, but I'll show you in a minute. Okay, so there we have the jackfruit, the jackfruit seed that you can cook, and this is the June plum and the sugar cane. gonna be cooking the plantain for you to see. So I have water here on the stove, and I'm just gonna put a drip of oil so that the this in half. I'm gonna fry half and piece off. Yeah, cut the tip off, and then just put a little slice in it. Just gonna put it in the water to cook. You could cook it that size, as well as I could cut it into. Just a bit of salt. Salt is optional, but I'll put a little bit of oil. I don't like frying with too much oil. On my hands that I put, guys, prevent my hands from getting stained with the plantain, because the plantain is stainy. Then I'll place the plantain in. So yeah, I just cut the tip off, and then you just slice here. Don't go in too deep. It's like you're peeling, guys. When peeling plantain or banana, yeah, so you would slice along there and just fry it or cook it. You slice it however you want, guys. You can do it, you can slice it round too. Frying, I like it this way because it doesn't absorb as much oil. When it's very ripe, then it absorbs too much oil when you're frying it. So if you don't want your plantain fry, you can also cook it as I'm cooking here. I told you I would put salt. The salt is optional. I didn't even put the salt. Yeah, you could put a tip of salt, but all I did was put some oil so that it won't get stainy. I'll just put a dash. Yeah, you don't need to put the salt, but as long as you put the oil so that it won't get, or apple cider vinegar too, so that it won't get the plantain won't get black from the stain. And sometimes I like to have my plantain with egg, fry with egg for breakfast or dinner time. I like that color, guys. This is almost done. Probably just turn it off and leave it there to fry, because by the time it cools down, then the other side will be brown. So you prick it with a fork, guys, and you see when you peel it, when it's cooked too, the skin will start peeling away. So this is done, because I don't want it to burn. See, it's done. I turned the burner off. When it's that color, it's too crunchy, unless you're going for chips, right? Yeah, I'm satisfied with pricking it. And see, guys, like when it's cooking, the skin peels away, so you can just peel it in the pot. When you cook the plantain in the skin, guys, you can also peel it and cook it, and when you cook it in the skin, it retains its nutrients. So it's better to, when you're cooking plantain or green banana, to cook it in the skin. So there we have our cooked plantain. You prick it, see the fork is going through. Said you can also peel it and then cook it. Like if you're cooking it with other foods like dumplings or yams and you don't want it to get stainy, then you would peel it and then cook. Tasting the fried plantain for you and the cooked plantain. And here's the fried plantain. I like it, guys. The skin, I like to fry it when it's this ripe. The cooked plantain. Now the cooked plantain, now I like it when it's a bit riper, like ripe banana. When the plantain is a bit riper, as in this color. I like when the plantain is that ripe for cooking. Tastes is sweet. It's good. Cook and ripe. Some of my favorite fruits: jackfruit, Caribbean fruits, jackfruit, sugarcane, and June plum. Those of you who have never eaten it before, you would, yeah, after you peel it, I show you how you peel it. Then you would just bite it. Bite and chew on it and suck and swallow the juice. But okay, you swallow the juice, but you're not gonna swallow this trash. This trash just goes to waste. This is kind of like your teeth is working like a cane extractor, right? So you suck the juice out and throw away the trash, because the trash is not edible, guys. I'll take you along just to insert a small clip of how the cane man prepares my cane juice. Here's the jackfruit, one of my favorite. Vegans, they say vegans have it as meat, but I've never cooked it before. I think I enjoy it more just the way it is, because cooking it you would have to be adding spice. So you just chew. You chew and swallow, guys. I show you how to get rid of the seed, and in another video I'll show you another video. In another video I'll show you how to how I cook the seed. You cook it and you eat it somewhat like potato. So now for the June plum. So the June plum, you bite it. I like when June plum are this. The June plum is this color. It's ripe. You can have it green too. And Jamaicans put salt on it, but when this is ripe, I don't need salt on it. Even when it's green, I try not to. Just a little bit of salt they would put on it and rub it all over to enjoy it. But the June plum, some people don't like it because the June plum has some little sticky things like this, guys, that you don't swallow, right? You chew when you find yourself coming across them, you chew. Swallow the June plum. The sticky piece is not so edible. It doesn't feel nice to swallow. Come across, like when you're eating fish and you come across fine bones, that's what it's like. It's embedded into the fruit, right? Let me give you a close-up of the June plum. Yeah, so basically, yeah, that's it. This piece here. Showing you how I eat the June plum. How to eat the June plum. The end, after I swallow the June plum, yeah, these little pieces here, I would just throw, like, spit out. It's really good. Guys, let me just give you a close-up what I taste tested. The cooked plantain and the fried plantain. And then my June plum that I enjoy, and jackfruit. Yummy. So guys, I'm just giving you a close-up of what the June plum seed looks like after you eat the June plum. This is garbage, guys, and these are the sprongs. I'm telling you, when you bite into June plum, you might be spitting out these sprongs after you chew the fruit off and swallow. Then these sprongs you might be finding in your mouth, so I try not to swallow them. But this is what the remainder looks like. This is what I throw in the garbage. And this is the cane, guys. After I eat the cane, yeah, you would suck the cane and use your teeth to extract the juice, and you swallow the juice, and then this is garbage. But the cane man uses a machine to juice the cane. Leaving from the cane man, this is my juice, guys. After leaving from the cane man, I just want you to see my juice. This is natural cane juice, right? And I'll insert a clip of what it looks like when he was milling the cane for me to get juice. And this bottle is $12. It's not bad price. You can get it this way, or it's at the flea market. You can get it this way, or you can get it with lime. I didn't want lime because I can add my own lime. I'm gonna be chilling this and drinking it for you to see. So I always look forward to going to the flea market to get my cane juice. All natural cane juice. Cheers. Give the video a thumbs up, click the thumbs up button, and share the video with your friends, and please get them to subscribe.